Hello, welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn about queries. The database of any organization may contain huge amount of data. Moreover, it may consist of multiple tables. When the number of records in a table increases, it becomes an uphill task for any user to extract a specific record from that table. MS Access provides you a solution for this problem through queries. A database, as you know, consists of table, and when a table record is increases or the data in a table increases, it is a very hard task to find some specific information from that particular table. To find some information from that table in which the data is very huge or data is very large, there is a solution in MS Access is of queries. We can find that information by the help of queries. A query is a database object that helps you to retrieve and view information from one or more database tables that meet specific condition or criteria you define. The information retrieved on the basis of specified criteria in the query is stored in a separate table called the query table. In a query, we have to give the criteria or we have to define the criteria upon which we want the data or the information. Any information which we want, we have to give the specific condition, and the query helps us to retrieve that information, to take out that information from the table, and that particular information is saved in a separate table, and that separate table is called query table. What is query? A query is like a simple question that you ask to find specific information from the database. You can use queries to view, change, summarize, and analyze specific data in different ways. Query is like a simple question, means we ask a question from the database by giving some condition, and by that condition we get the information, and we can view or we can see that information, we can change the information, we can summarize the information, and we can analyze the information. If we want to analyze something, we want some reports, we can get it by using query. Query is we always give used by the condition. We have to give a particular condition for query, and on that particular condition it gives us the result. In our daily life, we make several types of queries to get specific information. You can make quick decision depending on the criteria. As we in daily life, we use queries like if we want some information from any person, we ask simple question about that particular information and we can get that. So, and after that, on that particular information we can take our decision, like when we go to a shopkeeper, we can ask a pen which is less than rupees 50, and he will give us the various option, and on that particular option we take the decision to buy us some pen. So this is the example of query. Queries are made on tables, and the result of query is also displayed in the form of table. The result which you get in a group of rows and columns with the set of records that matches the given condition. MS Access provides various types of queries: select parameter, cross tab, action query, and SQL query. As I have told you earlier, in database consist of tables, and though in table queries are made on tables, we have to give the queries, we have to set up the queries on tables to get the result, and that particular result is also saved in a query table. So we make a queries on table and we get the result on table on the form of table only, that consists of rows and column. As you all know, a table consists of rows and column, and the result which we get is we will get on the basis of the condition which we have given on queries. So MS Access provides various type of queries. Some are select parameter, cross tab, action query, and SQL query. The most important here is SQL query. Most of the companies used SQL queries for their database. Setting a relationship between tables. To create a relationship, make two tables. One of the name students table that hold the information about students as roll number, name, class, address, and city, and the other with the name math table and that holds the information about the student's roll number, marks, percentage, and grade in maths. Open one of them in datasheet view. To create the relationship between two tables, we have to create the two tables. Here I have given the example of student table and the math table. In student table we can add roll number, and in math table we can also give marks, student roll number, and percentage and grade. After that we have to click on database tools tab. In the ribbon, click relationship button from the show hide group. You will get the ribbon on the above of your Excel Access sheet. There you have to click on database tools. After that you have to click on relationship. Select show table. When the show table window appears, select the required table and click on add button to add it in the relationship window. You will get a new window for the relationship. When you will open two tables, you will get two windows for that particular two tables, and for the relationship you will get a separate window where you have to add both the table. Likewise, add more tables to the relationship window, and similarly if you have more than one table you can add there in a separate window. Note: activate the queries tab if your relationship are based on queries, or activate both type of relationship are based on both tables and queries. This is you will get a option in your queries tab. Click the close button to close the show table dialog box. There is a show table dialog box where you will add the tables. You have to close it after that, after adding the relationship between the tables, different tables which you want. Drag the primary key of the parent table and drop it over the same field in the child table. When you will get two tables, you have to drag the primary key of the parent table of the first table to drop over the same field to the if the field name is same, like roll number in the student table and the roll number in the math table, you have to drag the roll number from the student table to the math table. The cursor changes to an arrow. The cursor will change to an arrow. The edit relationship dialog box appear. A new relationship dialog box will appear. Click on create button. After that you have to click on create button. Access create the relationship between the tables, and it will create the relationship between the two tables. A line linking the tables will appear indicating that both have been linked, and you will see the line between the two tables in a relationship window. Click the save button on the quick access toolbar to save the relationship, and on the quick access toolbar you will get the save relationship save button. So you have to click on save to save that particular relationship. Note: after relationship has been created between the two tables, you must delete the relationship before you make modification to the fields on which relationship is based. To delete a relationship, click the line that connects the table and press the delete key. So if you want to edit or you want to add something in that both the table, first you have to delete the relationship. And how you will delete the relationship? The line which on a relationship window, when you will see a line joining the two tables, you have to click on that particular line, and after that you have to press the delete key on key from the keyboard.